This is the the Activewear detergent. I really like this for a couple reasons. This is like move over regular detergent. I'll handle the sweaty chaos. Clean bottle, no scent, and a vibe that really means business on your workout clothes. This destroys the odor. It eliminates the odor. It brightens the colors, and it preserves the elasticity, and the fading is reduced. So for the blacks, it's not gonna fade after the first wash. This does not mask the odor. It does not add perfumes. It actually pulls the stink out of the leggings, out of the dance clothes, out of the sports bras. The fabric is going to stay happy. It's going to prevent quick fading, no stiff elastic, no weird residue, just nice, free, and clean and clear cleaning. No dyes, no fragrances, no nonsense. Perfect for sensitive skin and those sweaty uniforms. I call it the detergent that when clothes need like a deep reset, you are going to get a reset here. You're not going to just get a floral cloud sprayed on your clothes. The final verdict. Win is one of those detergents you keep around because it simply handles what other detergents can't or won't. So if you, like me, have athletes in your house, have dancers, have anybody that really stinks, their clothes stink, this is what you need in your house. Win Activewear detergent. This one is going to be your detergent, I promise you. This is a sponsored review. The product is provided by the brand.